Hi, this video has been created as a part of data visualization course uh, for a certificate of business analytics program at Indian School of Business. So here we are going to show the data visualization of natural gas distribution across the world and the various trends of usage of natural gas, comparison between gas usage with the rest of the energy resources, and maybe possible inferences that we are going to get out of this visualization. So the first dashboard has three different visualizations where the first one it shows about the natural gas reserves, and we have used map option here from the Tableau, and here is a bar chart is showing the gas reserves for each region, and this particular visualization shows the percentage of reserves shared by country within the each region. And we have interconnected these three visualizations, and if you are clicking Middle East, you are getting the uh, distribution of gas reserves, the percentage share within all the Middle East region, all the countries data, and the same thing here shown in the map. So this particular visualization will be useful for chief strategic officer of any natural gas company who wanted to invest there for the new business. And other values we can get is okay, the distribution values, and here we can see Middle East is the maximum, has maximum reserves of natural gas when we see the region wise, and if you see Russia over here, it has more natural gas reserves when we are taking the values at country level. And going to the next dashboard on the economic analysis on the natural gas production consumption. Here we have used three different visualizations. First one we have used the uh, trend lines, and second here we have used the spark lines, and here we have used scatter plot. Okay. And coming to the supply and the demand over here, we have drawn an equilibrium line where supply is equal to the demand. So if you see all these countries, they're almost having equal supply and equal demand. And whereas if you see the Russia, it is on the higher side, so that means it has a more surplus, and the United States on the lower side, so it has a shortage. So, and coming to the import and export trends over here, depicts between the they show the label values as the percentages of exports to the imports. So any positive value on the higher side of the right side, we can see that okay, it has a higher exports compared to the imports, and these circles represent the exports, and the vertical lines represent the imports over here. And if you see, Russia has a more number of exports compared to the imports, and if you see US, it has less number of imports and sorry, more number of imports and less number of exports. And coming to the consumption versus production trends, we have taken consumption on x-axis and the production percentage of consumption on the y-axis. So we have used the average lines over here. So any country lying on the top of the average shows that okay, it is consuming more and also more production. So with the far righter side, we can say that okay, it has more production and more consumption. And Russia, it is on the more production but on the lesser side of consumption. And so these values we can be used by any chief economist of any banks who wanted to actually study the microeconomic trends of natural gas production and consumption for further analysis. And going to the next dashboard, we are going to talk about industry analysis of natural gas, uh, where we are showing the different trends in the different so energy resources. And we have used here uh, the line charts, the spark lines for the first visualization, and the line charts and bar charts for the second visualization. And if you observe here, natural gas and coal, you can see it's on the production is on the growing side on year, and whereas biofuel and electricity, they are having many fluctuations, and definitely not worth of investing anything. And Coming to the bottom visualization, where we can see that it talks about the trend in consumption versus the production. So traditionally, we see the production always uh, consumption is always greater than the production, and but in the recent years, we can see that production also increasing. See, the production trend is increasing at, and the year 2012, they're almost equal to that of consumption. So production and consumption are almost equal at 2012. So it gives an important observation for us. Uh, if I wanted to enter into a gas distribution, then natural gas would be an good opportunity for a new company to enter into this field. So that is the various inferences we can get out of this dashboards. Thank you.